Tembisa because of, you know, they
Six wafethu. Come on.
Bintanga uthi yakho.
kumnata na.
Akikre na kimnata. Akasithembisa asiribotse. Asuri info. Afetsa wa mfonela gore ko kae ke motse gore ke ko 1. O tlo ko 1 o tla le atiba.
Bathane ntona muna unenkinga nogazi.
Ankrem.
Unenkinga nogazi?
No.
You know what? This is Yafesa! Oh, Kagiso! Swakala! Kagiso!
In the end, I don't care whether you love me or you hate me, just as long as I win. The deck is stacked. The rules are rigged.
YouTube. Come on, simthandile ngomthanda simthandile nawe ngomthandile. Come on. Damn man, Dana, Samazamabana. You said it, me so tidy, so hefty. Let's just get into it. I'm excited about this video in the same time I'm scared. You understand? Excited? Scared. Why I'm scared? It's because of I'm just hoping some dev I don't take this thing in the wrong way. You know? I hope they just I hope they can just meet and say, hi, come on, friend, I'm Nand. Hi, beg of it, come in. Fix. You understand? The reason I'm scared? Because I know maybe you can tell this thing like, oh, what you mean, bro? You can just, you understand? And to be honest, I don't think there's beef though. You understand? Oh my god, I'm making Kahiso and what? I don't think there's beef. Why I don't think there's beef? Because I'm chill with Kahiso and I don't think you have a problem with the guy, you know? I don't think I can just call him Smile now. I don't think you have a problem with Smile, you know? But further Smile, I tried to do this thing. I don't think you have a problem too, you know? So today, guys, I'm going to Tembisa to shoot some videos for me. After shooting for videos with me, I have to come back. And when I come back, I don't come alone. I come with a girl, please. Come with a smile. I smell my tat. Yeah. Just I hope they don't take it in the wrong way. To be honest, but we need this. We miss these things, guys. I'm sure maybe some of you, first time you see my face, first time you see his face, and not right now, and it's okay. Don't judge the book by its cover. You understand? Please like, share, subscribe. Most of you guys will be watching, but you're not subscribing. Why literally? You just press the button. Comment below. I will give you more. You understand? Comment below. Like the video. Maybe this nigga will come back. Like the video. I can fix the card. Okay, wait. If it was not me, okay. Anyone was not planning to do this video to make Kahiso and Smile to be okay. Nobody didn't plan the shit. If Skullflip is not doing that, then this Skulls have to do it. The pretty one have to do it. If Flip is not doing it, then who? Who's gonna do it, bro? Tell me. It's me, I know it's me. So guys, yeah, right now I'm put together right now and fight that side. Late, bro. The fact that it's time and I have to go outside and shoot some 2 videos, 3 videos, 4 videos, 5 videos. I don't know how many videos I'm gonna do outside. So I'm not sure, guys, about time. I'm thinking about vlogging everything, you know. I don't know, but I'm kinda late though at the same time. So I don't know if you're gonna see me, guys, when this nigga is here. Or you gonna see me guys on a car with this nigga, or you gonna see me guys, I don't know. But man, just like, share, subscribe. And I hope, bro, I really hope this video don't go in there. No? And I hope this nigga don't scam me. Smile, if you scamming me, boy. If you fucking scamming me, boy. Sort of boss swing. If you scamming me, trust me. Blah, some niggas. Shy, but it's okay. We're getting some more gorgeous, but it's okay. Man, like, share, subscribe, man. You know, most of you guys are watching, bro. Even actually, YouTube tell, but yeah, most of people they are watching, but they're not subscribing. Why will they subscribe? More days are coming, guys. I have more content. Just go and watch my content, bro. Maybe you're gonna like something. I have more than 200 videos, bro. my channel, just like, share, subscribe. You know, it's a yep. Maybe some of people they skip this part, what I want. But if you're watching this right now, bro, subscribe, share, subscribe, comment, bro. Like the video. Let's make money, Banaya. Let's make money. Watch my ads, guys. Watch my ads. You understand? By the way, man, yeah, let me just guys, I wanna see you. And we go and fixing the country. Go and fixing the country, though. But I didn't even tell Kakasi today I'm going to see him. So, and the ending is always busy, so I hope I'm gonna get him. Because I maybe recently on Chinese cheetah. Actually, I'm cheetah, they go to buy food. If I you buy food, hey man, I don't know. But I hope he's doing one of those things today. You understand? Or I'm getting there. If it's not in there, I don't know, man. I just hope this video go in a nice way. And I hope Smile pull up with some people, you know. Go, yeah. You know, about Tutula. Baby, go to Tutula and fit more boogie. I'm going to lose my long si blinded now. Makoti ngenga phela waqoma wena ngazi maso uhamba manje sowenza manje sengikubona ama blinded nabantu ngithi makoti wenzani uyabona ibuza ngithi makoti wenzani but there's no time for a story time right now. Maybe in the next 2 weeks you will see me and Tutula in the blind date and me Tutula talking about wenzakaleni emshadweni wethu makoti kodwa yenziwa leyo nto enkulu. Bro, I feel like I'm dreaming though. Because if I'm talking about my junk, don't say fix it. Fuck it. I hope this video go well, bro. Hey man, so let's just get into the video, man. Let me stop wasting time, bro. Let me just stop wasting time. Let's just get into it. I hope you're gonna like the video. I think it's a vlog. I don't know. I think I can't vlog in a day except I don't have a car, so shit. Let's get into it. I'm so scared. I'm so really scared, bro. Let's get into it. And I know. Zogal, I know, right? This is surprising. This is the first time on my YouTube channel.
Welcome to Mashallah.
Come on, Umnando. Oh, 100. How do you feel when you're in this channel for the first time in your life, bro? I used to react to your videos and talk shit. How do you feel we're standing like this today?
React shit.
Not like I was used to be react and talk. Some people didn't like it, some people they like it, you know?
Yeah. I can sloom. Mara is we are back with another banger.
Yeah. You saw the thumbnail, you saw the title. Today I'm making Smile to meet Kakis on real life. They need to fix this thing, guys. We missed them. We missed that combo. We missed Tembisa and Alex. We need to make them fix this thing, okay, guys? Please, if you didn't subscribe, you can subscribe, man. How many likes for this video?
10k likes for this video.
After 10k likes, they're gonna see you more. Do you think you're gonna be Zobuya guy your face?
If plus nigga 10k likes.
Yeah, Zobuya. Please, guys. Let's just get into it, man. Ish. So bafethu kumele hlane chita ka iska wanda right now 11 and ngizoyena le out. So now we are about to go to them. So check back come on. So but they are waiting for me right now. Let's see what's come on. How you feeling, God? Man. How do you feel, say Alex? Come on. Do you think you need difference between Alex and Tembisa?
Alex angithi Alex.
Oh shit, that's all I can say.
They say Tembisa because of, you know, this
6 Come on. What do you say? Come on. Nant. Nah, wafethu. Zogala. Try yami.
Wela machita.
Yeah, uSmile wafuna umkava ngithi. Smiley kakheso lo ngiyacabana ngi. Ubheka wafethu. Mtrend. Why want to free?
Come on, Nkosi. Show njaka.
Wafethu. No ukazi befuna
Smiley.
Come on.
No, befuna ukuringa nani ngithola.
Seringane.
Yeah?
Seringane.
No,
Mala.
hard nje yamphara. No, I thought maybe uzojabulele surprise and I'm surprised lena ngiswethembisa ngathi no ngiphatheni nje yakho.
Njaya yakho.
Okay.
Tabatha ngitshani.
No, I'm just saying kwezi ngithi ngiphathele out kayi. And so maybe kuna something engemele ngilungisa. Ama comment ayacho bafethu. You have to fix this thing. Come on.
Which thing?
Sondela kanyani. Sondela.
Wamsondeza. Wamsondeza. Great. Nasomela yangisari.
Kambani Ghost. Wutsalang.
Talk.
Awukusta kasakubona Nkosi.
Come on, dalo. Bazotshela amajet utrain now.
Binsanga uthi yakho.
Kumnata na.
Akhe great, nakhe mnati.
Come on, out here I'm eating, out here I'm big.
Yeah, so on.
Eat out. Tana msiyaringa mos come on.
Kambani boy.
Sikumamele musifuna ngezandla.
Tana mara siyaringa tana come on.
Sikumamele ngana ngezandla.
No, asifuna
Yeah,
that.
melan le. So ringa train le. Kambani.
Lo mothi yakho.
Hey, this guy.
Poison, we are
Get
talking
straight
though.
to the point.
I'm vlogging for this
Come
thing
on,
bro. Mpuma sembisi kuland out here.
Omlandini.
Yeah, I'm
Letha la.
No, obvious tana be surprised tana come on surprise.
mina.
Ngisabaza isijita sami. Mina silungisele. Mina silungisele.
Kambani.
Amela bafethu ukazophethe deal for deal. Mina
Tumele camera.
ngiyavlog nje mara ngiyaqaba ngi-YouTube ngiyavlog
Ngikabi ngangifusi.
mara smile uzibatshele nje utrain amajita ne-trend
Awufukhuluma machita.
no okay batshele utrain uthi utrain
Fulani Nkosi.
uthi usmile fulani be-trend
For screen ke. Angifuna sivume screen.
okay shekhani izandla ke
Screen.
Bheka nje sizoyenza so ngathi la sizokujikela bye. What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Ufuna lento ngitwe. Shot yami. How are you man? Friend.
Bana vaya ke.
no mamela bafethu akakhani ufuna ngikhatha
Vana.
no ufuna be-trend ngirikisana bafethu ngifixe lento
Sirengile man.
sifuna content
Okay,
content.
wenza social media ntwana yami mara bendide
Yeah, vai. Sure. So rapper vai.
bana serepa kanjani bafethu sengitrend bro
So niyamlanda, uyamletha makutata usitshile. Bithi mele sibe green night.
It's surprise.
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 Sometimes
Surprise.
it's easy, but I'm not.
Press unnecessary kwezi.
Surprise.
Surprise party.
Party.
Vai. Anke ngicela isiqoshelele.
Uncle, ufuna sibacofe balithiwa uncle.
Bafethu wait. Khulman wait. Hold on. Jam. No, it's surprise le, it's surprise. Ngiphathele out ka imele nihlanganise. Ntwana yami ngaba le team lento train. Ngiyakhumbula mara sasibana no.
Okay. Go lengnete. Motho o nkile Thembisa a re mo o tlo ngakela 2 code.
Yes. So vaya no pama tu
Mara tsana ngitshelile. No.
Lalela
Lalela.
utayenzeni la.
Sorry isijita.
Khuluma mina naye wena
uncle.
Namaqala bam. Come
So
on.
rapper naye ke wena vai.
Ngiyamfreza.
Wayengayenza iphisi one.
Ipeace, Khulman, ngiyafeza phela ngishilo. Hug guys, laugh.
Wayengayenza iphisi.
Park. Come on guys. Kagiso. Come on.
Arilo man umphisi.
Yeah, I know, but the peace bana.
Ara khoma ngumrasa ne but bafethu ngiyafeza bafethu peace. Sikhumbula icontent yeni bafethu. So we missed that thing. Come on.
Yeah, so
Come on,
rapper
guys.
naye.
Come on, guys.
Akasithembisa asiributsi.
Asulimfuni.
Asore inform. Abetsa wa ngfonela gore ko kae ke motse gore ke ko 1. O tlo ko 1 o tla le Atila.
But I thought Mr.
So,
Atila.
so are you guys fighting?
No, they are not fighting a trend. Tona muna ulenkinga no gas.
Antrem.
Unekinga no gas. No. You know what? This is
This is nceda ngani when yale sizokhuluma mina naye wena vaya.
Mangithi.
young friend present.
Yeah, wena. So rapper vai.
Short yaka. How are you?
I'm good and you?
I'm good.
Frezu vai.
Sase yini?
Frezu vai.
Bathi siyakhuluma sikhulumani.
Manje senami ngifuna ngivaya kanjani
Frezu vai.
manje ngikhatha mara ngibenzela ngiyaqala this is the thing because ngiyanqaya lento yini bafethu nanga content yakho ngimnikela ne2 ngoba uyinja yami wena
Inja yakho.
Motivator. Ngiyacela mfethu.
Motivational speaker now. Relax, calm down.
mfethu ngizozanihagele
Elise. Ngoba ngicashela lo muntu.
Obalande wethu.
Balande bethu ntwana yami lihle kayi.
Uqeda ngitshela.
yakhe awu
Ichara yakho awutsho kimi ichara.
I don't care bye mbona
Ubana le mic yakho.
Bafethu mangahakana ke mangahakana.
Hey,
Smile. Manje nisena amos.
manje.
Bafethu ngiyanifreza.
Bye-bye, Che.
Smile kodwa mangahakana yabona I love this thing. Police njayami. Police. Manje ngiwokhe ngizowokha kanjani ngiyacanga ngoba fair mfethu.
Chom, bye-bye.
Abe, asivaye boy.
Ngiyanifreza bafethu.
Chom, bye-bye. Hello. Ukudla kwami, bye-bye.
Uzokuthola. Bafethu. Hayi bafethu. Somnyama nawu khona kanti kayi. Sazoringa nawo. Ngakushiya. Hayi bafethu. Oyibo. Oye. Yafreza. Oye kakiso. Sokala cameraman. Sokala. Kakiso. Jesu. Fuck. Fethu into bengifuna ukuyenza fethu ukubalungisa nje kuphela. Somnyama mara. Fethu I understand ngizama ukuchuna la mngana nami. Ngizama
Right now.
ngizama ukulungisa i-relationship abantu bahlangana abantu bathandane ntwana yami.
You have taught us, bro. Ngabusitshelile bese understand because
Mara ntwana yami ikirong uma ngithatha ukageso ngihlanganisa umdeba semthanda. Ngihlanganisa umblack no bona no fethu. Please like guys. Please like subscribe. I try to fix the country. I don't know if they're gonna talk since we hambe bethu. But how come do you think I'm wrong cameraman if ngithathe uSmile nokageso mahlanganisa? Wrong aliyo nto mina. Wrong yini? Bakhuluma nawe man wrong. Cut the camera for sec, cut the cameras.
Don't look at that social media all day and see what niggas got and just start losing your mind. Niggas grinding for this shit.